Well, we're cloudy, but most places are going to be dry as we're heading into the afternoon hours. The place where we're going to be watching for is going to be right along and south of I-70, where we do have a chance for some light snow. Also, elevated areas a little bit later on today. We'll have a small chance for that as well. It doesn't look like you'll see much, but maybe a dusting out there on the ground. 34 degrees now. Yes, it is cloudy. Winds out of the southeast, 5 miles an hour. The barometer 30 and 24 hundredths of an inch. Here's those temperatures for you. Isn't this nice? It's 34 in Pittsburgh. It's never felt any nicer, I think. 34 in Butler, Latrobe at 34. Indiana 34 degrees. Washington at 35. So we have finally started to see those temperatures above the 32-degree mark. Hopefully we get some of that snow out of here that's on the ground all over the place. Here's that snow that we're talking about. We'll zoom in on Fayette County, Uniontown area. You can see some of that snow right there. There's the Luzerne area, Waynesburg as well. These are areas that have seen a little bit of snow over the course of the morning hours and probably some light, very light accumulation going on there. Snow showers, yeah, they'll be possible along I-70, really to the south there. 40 degrees your expected high temperature today, and the winds out of the southeast 2 to 5 miles an hour. Here's how I think things break down for the day. We'll put that 4 o'clock temperature at 39, 37 at 6, 8 o'clock temperature 32 degrees, and we'll stay into the mid-20s as we're heading into the overnight hours tonight. Today's lows, you can see them right there. We fell all the way down to 20 degrees in Pittsburgh. Here's the best news for you if you're ready for a warm-up at least. 48 your Saturday high temperature. Sunday we're looking at highs right at 60 degrees. I'll tell you one thing, wouldn't be surprised if our 48 officially on Saturday is a little warmer than that. One of the reasons for that, we'll see a warm front sliding in just before midnight's hour. So we'll see our high temperature late in the day on Saturday. That's 60 also on Sunday. It's going to be hard for us to get there, but we are going to see some warmer air sliding in. So we're going to jump ahead. This is heading into the afternoon today. You can see a little bit of that snow that's going to be possible that we told you about later on today. Elevated areas to the east, maybe in the Pittsburgh area, maybe a little bit of a sprinkle here or there, but that's really going to be about it. As we're heading into Saturday, after 6 o'clock in Pittsburgh, could be as soon as about 5:30 or 6 in places like Greene County. Rain showers will start to arrive. We do also have a small chance for a thunderstorm. Shouldn't be anything severe, but a rumble here or there of thunder will be possible as this comes in. One of the things you'll notice as the rain arrives, our temperatures go up. That's because this is a warm front that's going to be sweeping through. And even though on the back side of the system we do have a cold front that's going to keep our temperatures locked into the 50s all day long, or right at 50 degrees for the afternoon hours of Sunday, it's not as cold as the Arctic or the polar air that we have seen in place. So our temperatures will be more seasonal as that cold front slides in, instead of very cold like what we've seen times the weather that's been in place. So overall, what I'm telling you, we could say goodbye to that deep chill that has been here for the last couple of days. There's your 7-day outlook. 40 your expected high temperature today, 48 your Saturday high, and then 60 on Sunday. Looks like Monday also not as warm, but still I think a lot of folks will take 47 degrees for a high, 44 on Tuesday, and then back to weather well above the average of 45 or 46 degrees wherever you are as we're heading into the middle of next week. 50s and even 60s will be possible. I think a lot of people are saying, hey, this is what we expected from the groundhog.
Yeah,
he told us.
Yeah, exactly. Well, March is always a transitional month, so you're going to get swings like this, but I'd like to continue to swing toward the higher side.
Exactly, and sometimes even you get this cold weather at the end of March. Yeah. You know, it's nice to get it hopefully at the beginning.
And not at the end.
Right.
All right.
Keep our fingers crossed there.
Thanks, Ron.